Hello everyone, today we are with another of the origami series, and as you see, it's so obvious. It is a paper origami diamond and it's convincing looking with the facets. It does look like a diamond, and if you were to create it with the glossy glitter paper, they would look more convincing to create fake diamonds for in a background of a given situation, for a school project, anything that you can imagine where you want a fake diamond to be put up at. You can create this design and use a layering paper which glitters, and something that is gold or silver, and top it up and give the look of a real diamond. Okay, this is the trial part, the finished version with the plain white paper as always, and we'll start off with our diamond now on how to make it. Okay, here we are. In this particular origami, of course, you do require glue. This is one of the perfect turning out origami, and the shapes are even really clearly defined, and the look of a diamond is immediately felt. Like you don't have to tell someone this is a paper diamond equivalent. The shape is very obvious. It does look like a diamond on the first glance. Another thing I forgot to tell you is to cut out perfect squares. The size of the squares left to you. The bigger the square, the bigger the diamond that you get. The ones here are bigger than the ones we are trying out here. So obviously it will be a smaller diamond, but that doesn't mean they're any way inferior. Many such smaller diamonds, a collection of them, they do look really good. Hello? Yeah. There we are again. The bottle of glue is almost empty. Need to get the replacement. We're done, and the glue needs to hold together, and you get the perfect shape. Perhaps a little glue at the very edges of the apex of the diamond would give us the perfect fit. We just put a little more glue. I think using your fingers would do it better. Yeah, there we are. Let's invert it. Yeah, as the glue holds, and the shape will stick. You just leave it that way, so the glue has time to set in. Yeah, we'll do another one. Here the other one. We just repeat the process for you in case there's a doubt on how to fold them. I think the process is clear now. And as such, it's not really complicated. Some origamis call for multiple folds for certain kinds of 3D stars. The number of folds are really numerous, and you get back to the design only with the creases. Gum tube is almost over. Yeah, we're done. So like we have 4 diamonds here now. I think the decoration with the shiny paper would make it look very convincing as a diamond. The gum there is not holding together on the final piece. There's very little gum left out there. Okay, but anyway, this one, the one here, yeah, the tip needs to hold together and you'll get the perfect shape. Either way, you have the finished product here. And the colored ones was just to give an idea of how it's done. And maybe you need to hold this together, the smaller one, yeah. There you are, turn it around. It takes a little while for the glue to hold together. And there was like scarce gum left in the tube, so like we were just challenging with how to hold it, like. But you do know how the diamond is made now. Here the trial ones. Hope you like our videos. We'll join you back with more videos on origami. Hope you like this particular paper diamond. Give us a like and please do subscribe. We'll be back with more. Thank you.